members. Today we are going to learn about Pascal's triangle, and I will show you where it helps us to actually expand some given expressions. And this is how it goes. As me, this is my formula which I capture, and I find it easy, and maybe it will be easy to you too. You start by writing 1, then you write 1, 2, 1. This is where I begin, and as long as you capture this, it will be very easy to move on. Now for me, what I do, we always begin with 1, so I will write 1 again. So I will say 1 plus 2, which will give me 3, 2 plus 1, which also give me 3, then I'll end up with 1. I hope you're understanding. Again, if you want to go on the fourth one, you have to write 1 again. 1 plus 3 to give you 4, 3 plus 3 to give you 6, 3 plus 1 to give you 4, then we end with 1. I'm going to stop on 5, or the fifth one. This is how the Pascal's triangle works, and I will show you how it works in this video. So I'm going to 5. I will start by 1. 1 plus 4, it will give me 5. 4 plus 6, it will give me 10. 6 plus 4, it will give me 10. 4 plus 1, it will give me 5. And again I end with 1. Now, how does this Pascal's triangle help us to expand some of the expressions given? Suppose I'm given to expand a plus b squared. This is how we expand a plus b squared. So, using Pascal's, of course, if I say square here, I'll have to take this root of 2. If I'm given a power of 3, I'll take this root of 3. If I'm given to the power 4, I will use this expression for 4 to expand. Now this one, in Pascal's triangles, the values of a will be decreasing in power, and b will be increasing in power. What do I mean? You write both. First write the coefficients of this line. The coefficient, the first coefficient is 1, but a takes on the power being given there, which is 2, and b, since it is starting, will get the power of 0. Then you say plus the coefficient, the next coefficient is 2, and you say 2. A, this time it will be decreasing, it will be to power 1, and b will be obtaining a power 1, it will be increasing. Plus, what's the coefficient? Another coefficient, which is 1. So it will be a, this time to power 0, and b to power 2. So what's the end result? Here, I'll have a squared plus 2ab plus, this is 1, this is 1, b squared. So that's how we expand using Pascal's triangle. So I'm going to give you one example, 1 or 2 depending, and I think you will be well versed with Pascal's triangle and will be able to expand anything you would like to expand. Let me take a plus b to power 3. Even though I end there. So I'm going to use this root for 3, as you see it here, and it will help me to expand. But in this sense, I told you the a's will be increasing, decreasing, and the b's, the powers I'm talking about, will be increasing. So in here, I'll first see what's the first coefficient. It is 1. A take up the power 3, and b will take up the power 0 since it is beginning. What's our next coefficient? It is 3. If you take a look, it will be 3. A this time will get a power 2 and B will take a power 1. What's our next coefficient? Our next coefficient is 3, so it will be 3. A this time will be taking a power of 1 and B a power of 2. What's our next coefficient, which is 1? Plus 1, A to power 0 and B to power 3. So our final will be A cubed. Remember, B to power 0 is 1. So this is what we'll end up with. 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. Thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. In case you are not well versed with this, you can tag me on the comment section and we'll see what to do. Thank you very much.